There are many different views and opinions online about how we should act and carry ourselves, and routines we need in order to be better and stay calm. Sometimes it gets confusing, with everyone sending us in different directions. Today, we will teach you how to stay calm in this in-depth exploration of how Stoic principles can be harnessed to achieve a state of unwavering calmness in the face of life's challenges. In this extensive guide, we will delve into the profound teachings of Stoicism and provide practical strategies to integrate them into your daily life. So, grab a pen and paper, sit back, and prepare to embark on a transformative journey toward mastering calmness through Stoic wisdom. Before we start, I would appreciate it if you would like the video. This helps me make these teachings reach more people. If you don't want to miss any future videos, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell. 1. Understanding Stoic philosophy. To effectively use Stoic principles for cultivating calmness, it's essential to grasp the core tenets of this ancient philosophy. Stoicism, founded in Athens around 300 BC, emphasizes the importance of virtue, wisdom, and tranquility as the ultimate goals of human life. The Stoics believed that external events are beyond our control, but we can control our reactions and judgments. Seneca said, "Do not let your mind be a playground for external events, for they are beyond your control. Instead, let it be a sanctuary where tranquility reigns, nurtured by your mastery over your reactions." We must live by the ancient words as wisdom and put them into practice daily, not forgetting this piece of Stoic wisdom at any time. As Epictetus wisely said, happiness and freedom begin with a clear understanding of one principle. Some things are within our control and some things are not. 2. Embracing the dichotomy of control. One of the foundational Stoic teachings is the dichotomy of control. This principle encourages us to differentiate between what's within our control and what's not. By focusing solely on what we can control, our thoughts, emotions, and actions, we free ourselves from unnecessary anxiety. When you encounter challenges, ask yourself, can I control this situation or only my response to it? Seneca reminds us, we are more often frightened than hurt, and we suffer more from imagination than from reality. This powerful Stoic reminder goes to show how much we suffer over imagined troubles, often frightening ourselves with our imagination over reality. Now, this should not be confused with premeditatio malorum, the premeditation of evil and bad. The practice of premeditatio malorum is not meant to foster anxiety or worry. Rather, it's meant to promote preparedness and resilience against life's inevitable problems. Premeditatio malorum is a practice to undertake before entering into endeavors. It is not only an attempt to identify obstacles, but also a reminder that we have the inner resources to deal with them. This Stoic practice plays into our next chapter. 3. Practicing negative visualization. Stoics advocate practicing negative visualization, a mental exercise where you envision the worst-case scenario. This might sound counterintuitive, but it helps you prepare mentally for adversity. By acknowledging potential challenges, you become less attached to outcomes, making you more resilient when life doesn't go as planned. As Marcus Aurelius noted, the first rule is to keep an untroubled spirit. The second is to look things in the face and know them for what they are. 4. The art of perception. Epictetus, a prominent Stoic philosopher, emphasized that it's not events themselves, but our perceptions of them that cause distress. To stay calm, question your interpretations. Is there another perspective? Could this situation be an opportunity for growth? By reframing your perceptions, you regain control over your emotions. Epictetus's words resonate through time, reminding us that our reactions to external events are shaped by our interpretations. When we encounter difficulties, our initial emotional response is often rooted in how we perceive those situations. The Stoics believed that by refining our perceptions, we can transform our emotional reactions and cultivate a deeper sense of tranquility. Imagine a scenario where you face unexpected setbacks. Your first instinct might be frustration or disappointment. However, Stoicism encourages you to pause and examine your interpretations. Could this setback be an opportunity for growth? Can you view it as a chance to practice resilience? By reframing your perceptions, you alter the emotional landscape, paving the way for calmness. Chapter 5. Practicing Self-Discipline. Stoicism places great importance on self-discipline. Seneca, in his timeless wisdom, stated, "He who is brave is free." Develop self-discipline through small daily practices, waking up early, adhering to routines, and consciously choosing your responses. This helps you cultivate resilience and a sense of control over your life. Self-discipline, a central tenet of Stoic philosophy, is the conscious choice to align your actions with your values and principles. In the pursuit of calmness, self-discipline becomes your armor, shielding you from the chaos of impulse and reactivity. Seneca's words echo through time, urging us to embrace the courage that comes from self-discipline. In the face of difficulties, the Stoics believed that it's not about avoiding discomfort, but about choosing how to respond to it. By cultivating self-discipline, you gain the power to respond thoughtfully rather than react impulsively. Picture a day where you wake up early, engage in mindfulness practices, stick to a productive routine, and make intentional choices that align with your values. This day isn't about restriction, it's about liberation. It's about carving a space for tranquility within the noise of modern life. This is the essence of self-discipline, a deliberate pursuit of the calmness that arises from aligning your actions with your inner compass. Chapter 6. Embracing Impermanence. Marcus Aurelius, the Stoic emperor, wrote extensively about the fleeting nature of life. Embracing impermanence can help you remain calm in the face of uncertainty. As he wisely advised, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. The Stoics understood that change is an inherent part of existence, and that the sooner we come to terms with this reality, the more at peace we can be. Impermanence is a reminder that everything, joys, sorrows, relationships, and even life itself, is transient. By internalizing this truth, we unlock the door to a deeper sense of tranquility. Imagine gazing at a sunset, appreciating its fleeting beauty as the colors blend and fade into the horizon. Just as the sunset is temporary, so are the moments of our lives. Embracing this impermanence doesn't diminish the value of these moments. Rather, it amplifies their significance and invites us to savor them fully. Chapter 7. Journaling for Clarity. Keeping a Stoic-inspired journal can be immensely beneficial. Write down your thoughts, emotions, and challenges you face. As Epictetus advises, if you wish to improve, be content to appear clueless or stupid in extraneous matters. Don't wish to seem knowledgeable. Journaling, a practice cherished by Stoic philosophers, is more than a mere recording of events. It's a canvas for self-reflection, a mirror that reveals the contours of your thoughts and emotions. Through this practice, you can untangle the complexities of your mind and cultivate a profound sense of inner calm. Epictetus's insight encourages us to embrace vulnerability as a pathway to growth. By acknowledging our cluelessness in the realm of our own thoughts, we create a space for honest introspection. Journaling offers a safe haven where you can explore your emotions, challenges, and aspirations without judgment. Imagine sitting down with a blank page, ready to pour out your thoughts and feelings. In doing so, you engage in a dialogue with yourself, a conversation that fosters self-understanding. Just as Epictetus suggested, by admitting your lack of knowledge about your own inner workings, you create an opportunity for enlightenment. As we conclude this comprehensive guide, remember that mastering calmness through Stoic principles is a journey. By embracing the wisdom of the Stoics and integrating their teachings into your life, you'll develop the inner strength and resilience to navigate life's storms with serenity. So, embark on this transformative path, and may your journey toward tranquility be both enlightening and rewarding. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Stoicism's profound impact on cultivating calmness. Comment your thoughts on this video. What would you like to see next? Do not forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye for now.